Namaste students. Today I am going to start a topic Arab Spring. This is a new added topic in your syllabus and this is added in your chapter end of bipolarity. So in this topic Arab Spring we will discuss about how in the Muslim countries Arab Spring spread all the Muslim countries and the people protest against the autocratic rule in these Arab countries. And here also we will see the civil war, democratic system, how democratic system set up there, and what was the reason of civil war here. So let's begin. First of all, I want to tell you that what is the meaning of Arab Spring. Students, Arab Spring refers to the revolution or protest movement occurred in various Muslim countries of West Asia and North African countries. Fine. And then we see in these countries there were autocratic rule. In all these Arab countries we see the autocratic rule were there, and in this autocratic rule was overthrown by the people of these countries, and we see democracy was installed. But we also see in few countries of Arab countries revolution occurred, but finally it resulted in civil war, and which is still continuing. One such event we will take the example of Tunisia. So one such event is characterized as Arab Spring that began in 2009, and the name of the area was Tunisia. Arab Spring took its roots where struggle against corruption. Main reason of this struggle by the people against the autocratic rule were the unemployment, corruption and poverty. And this was started by the public, which turned into political movement. And then we also know that Tunisia, if you will see the map, Tunisia is a North African country, and the demand for democracy in Tunisia, that also started in Tunisia but also spread throughout the other Muslim countries, Muslim dominated Arab countries in West Asia. And now we will see the example of Egypt. Here we see the autocratic rule of Hosni Mubarak. He ruled on Egypt in 1979, and he was a dictator, but his rule was also collapsed as a result of massive democratic protest here also. So here we see Arab Spring could also be seen in other areas of Muslim countries. You can say Yemen, Bahrain, Libya and Syria. If we will take the example of Libya, so here we see the dictator was the Colonel Gaddafi. He was ruling there in 1967 and he was overthrown from power, but resulted was civil war. Here democratic rule was not established. Here we see the civil war in Libya. Now similarly we see in Syria, Libya we have discussed Bashar al-Assad. This is also an area of Arab country, you can say. People protest here also against the autocratic rule. Then it resulted civil war here also in Bashar al-Assad, like in Libya. In Yemen, Iraq, Jordan, Morocco, Algeria, people protest against their dictators we have studied. Fine. So this is all about the topic Arab Spring. This is a very short topic given in your syllabus. This is new added topic. So this Arab Spring effects felt till now. So here we see the effect of Arab Spring, or you can say the protest of people against the autocratic rule is till now continuing. Okay, this is all about the topic Arab Spring. I hope you understood this topic. Thank you.